Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today in this video is something different. It's an unboxing and review of Sweven solid men's sweater. Firstly, I bought this sweater for my father and I gonna unbox it. I bought this from Flipkart and I got this sweater for 999 bucks. And friends, let me tell its specification. Here the sleeve is of full sleeve and fabric is of woolen material, and you'll get a V-neck and a pattern is a kind of solid pattern, and price, as I said before, you'll get for 999 rupees. And you can see the sweater, it is same as shown in the picture of Flipkart. I was just randomly scrolling down for sweaters in Flipkart and saw this sweater and I thought it will be best suited for my father. So I buy this. In the sweater, the tag price which is displayed is like 1799 bucks, but for 1000 rupees it will be worth. And friends, if you want to buy this, if you want to gift to your father or your brother or your friend, I'm gonna share the link in the description. You can go and you can check it out once. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you guys.